So we're at the home of VW in South Africa, the Kariega plant, or Uitenhage. This is where the Polos are manufactured. A fun-filled day for us today because we'll do a factory tour, check out how the Polos are actually put together, and then we'll go to Auto Pavilion, the home of the classic cars or the museum collection. And I believe some cars have been put aside for us, pulled out of the Auto Pavilion for us to test drive. So this is going to be a very interesting day. Come join me on this amazing journey. Done the factory tour. Nice to see how Polos are actually manufactured and put together. Interesting fact, do you know that the Polo GTI is built only in South Africa? So all Polo GTIs that you see, whether you're in Mexico, whether you're in the USA, wherever you are, it's all built here in South Africa. That's a great fact I just learned. Now it's time for my favorite part. We're going into the Auto Pavilion Museum. We're going to check out all the classics that they've got here. And now we're also going to get a chance to drive some of the special cars that they pulled out just for us. This is going to be great. I can't wait. Let's go. This is a totally different way to spend a Friday morning. I'm driving a very special car, the last Beetle ever produced in South Africa. I'm at Kariega, Uitenhage VW plant. Donovan is driving behind me in another Beetle, a much earlier model. And I think this is probably one of the coolest days of my life. So it's been an incredible journey at the Uitenhage plant, driving some Auto Pavilion gems. I think a highlight for me was definitely driving the Mark 1 GTI and this car, the Microbus 2.6i, 2002 model. I think we've ticked bucket list stuff today, yeah? Big time, big time, big time. What was your favorite car?
I'm gonna have to say the Audi Coupe.
The Audi Coupe?
Anything in your life, you'll get to drive one again. And surprisingly,
Yeah, it is. Very quick car. I don't know.
It's tough. I mean,
Mark 1 GTI. Oh,
GTR.
man, spoiled for choice.
And I think you complain about driving it easy.
Oh yes, of course. Shout out to VW. Shout out to everybody who made this happen. Shout out to cameraman Keenan, thank you. Oh man, what a journey, what an incredible day. Thank you to VW South Africa. Nice one, dude. Bucket list stuff.